So we have two types of vector product. What are those two types?
Dot and cross.
First is dot product.
Cross product.
Second one is cross product. So why these two types of products are necessary first of all? Can anyone tell me?
Scalar quantity and vector.
Why these two types are
Because of
necessary
direction and
for?
magnitude.
Huh? No,
Scalar.
One
it's
will
not
give
correct.
the
Scalar quantity, man.
Not clear.
To find angle and magnitude.
For finding angle and magnitude. No, in dot product, if you multiply two vectors, you will be getting a scalar as the answer. Scalar product means you will be getting a number as an answer. But in vector product, you will be again getting a vector as a answer for the product. So that is the difference between dot product and cross product. If you multiply two vectors, either it can be a scalar or it can be a vector. So it depends upon the condition when we will be getting a scalar or when we will be getting a vector. So how many are present now? 42. So let us see
43.
how 43. So let us
43.
see how we are going to solve these two vector and scalar products, and moreover let us see how these two products are useful for finding the product of two vectors. So first let us see dot product. What is the another one name for dot product?
Scalar
Scalar.
product. Scalar product.
Scalar product. Okay. Dot product of two vectors. Let a vector and b vector be two vectors. Now scalar product is defined by a vector dot b vector. Understood? If you have two vectors a and b, then scalar product of these two vectors is defined by a vector dot b vector. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
So this is the
Yes,
notation for
ma'am.
a scalar product and how these two products will be defined. For this, we need the angle of inclination of these two vectors. For example, if a vector is taken like this and b vector is taken like this, then these two vectors will have an inclination, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
theta be the angle of inclination of a vector with b vector. So now this a dot b will be defined as modulus of a vector zero will be equal to 0. Not defined means it doesn't mean that it will be indeterminate form. It will be equal to 0. So we cannot find a dot b as a scalar value. It will be equal to If A, B both are non-zero, and if A dot B is equal to 0, then A is perpendicular to B vector. How to derive this proof? I dot I is 1 minus j dot plus j is minus 1 divided by root.
0.
So projection of A on B is
0.
of A vector on B vector is
0.
0. It's not 0 vector, it is 0 only. Okay. So in the same way, one more question is asked.
Projection is one vector.
Projection of
Projection is a
projection
vector.
is no, projection is a scalar. Projection is a scalar.
That means that both lines are perpendicular.
Here both the lines are perpendicular. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
can you solve fourth semester homework? Try fourth semester homework. Then next fifth one, show that each of the vectors in the three vectors has unit vector. Unit vector means we should prove that magnitude of this one is 1 and magnitude of B vector is 1 and magnitude of C vector is 1. So if you assume magnitude of A vector, we can take 1 by 7 as commonly out. Then magnitude of A vector will be 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. What will it be? 1 by 7 square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus 9, 49. Square root of 49 is 7 by 7 equal to 1. In the same way, if you consider modulus of B, that will also be equal to 1. And modulus of C will also be equal to 1. Show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So what we have to do is, we should consider A dot B. So 1 by 7 into 1 by 7. We can multiply the scalars and we can consider the dot product. 2i dot 3i. 2i dot 3i is what? 6. 3j minus 6j. Minus 18. 6k, 2k. 6k, 2k. 12. So 1 by 49 into what will you get here?
0.
See, 18 minus 8 is 0. 0 into anything becomes 0. So A dot B equal to 0 means what?
Theta is 90. They are
A vector is
perpendicular to each other.
perpendicular to B.
Perpendicular.
Here, A and B are non-zero vectors. They are non-zero vectors. So if the dot product is equal to 0, then it means that A vector is perpendicular to B vector. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sixth sum. If one of you read out the question,
Find magnitude of A and B if A plus B.
sixth sum da. Okay, magnitude of A and B.
If A
If
plus B
A plus B dot
dot
A minus B
equal to
equal to 8. So if you consider dot product, what will you get? What will be A dot A?
magnitude of A square.
Modulus of A square. What is A dot minus B? A dot minus B can be written as minus of A dot B also.
Minus A.
Okay. So we can write minus of A vector dot B vector. Then B dot A. What is B dot A equal to?
A dot B.
What is B dot A equal to?
A dot B. A dot B.
Dot B.
A dot B. By commutative law, A dot B and B dot A are equal. So these two gets cancelled. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Since A dot B equal to B dot A, commutative law is satisfied. Minus of A dot B and plus B dot A gets cancelled. Then what is modulus of A dot B? A dot A equal to?
Magnitude of A square.
Modulus A square, isn't it? So it is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to modulus A square
Yes, ma'am.
minus modulus B square
Modulus B
equal to 8. So the given thing is derived like this: modulus of A square minus modulus of B square equal to 8. And moreover, they have given that
Modulus of A is equal to 8
Mod-
times the modulus of
A vector, modulus of A vector is equal to 8 times of modulus of B vector. So if you replace, what will you get? 8 times of
64.
modulus of B vector, the
64
whole
B
square,
square.
isn't it? Minus modulus of B square equal to 8. So 64 into modulus of B square minus modulus of B square equal to 8. So what will you get?
63.
63 into modulus of B square equal to 8. Is it correct? Did I make any mistake? So what is modulus of B square equal to?
Root of 8 by
8 by
root
63.
of 8.
And modulus of B equal to square root of 8 by 63. Is this correct? 8 into modulus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have derived now modulus of B. What will be modulus of A?
8 times the modulus of B.
8 times of modulus of B. 8 times square root of 8 by 63. Is there any possibility of simplifying this?
No. No.
So is this correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Check whether any mistake we have done. Sixteen root 2 by. So they have simplified this. So is there any possibility of simplifying? No, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
We can write this as 2 root 2 divided by. How can you write 63 as
9 into 7.
21? 3 times 7. So 3 root 7, isn't it? And here we can write this as 8 into 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. That is 16 root 2 by 3 root 7. So modulus of A equal to 16 root 2 by 3 root 7, and modulus of B equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7 is the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you understood dot product? Shall we move on to cross product?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some number 5, 6. So let us have the other problems in this in a glance. Evaluate the product 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. How to solve this? These are all easy sums, no? A dot product 3a dot 2b. A dot a will be modulus of a square, isn't it? So 3 into 2 will give
Yes, ma'am.
6 into modulus of a square. 3 into 7 is 21
21
a
A dot
dot
B.
b minus 5 dot 2 is minus 10
Minus 10 A dot
b
B.
dot a, then minus 5 into 7
Minus
minus
35.
35 modulus of b square.
Modulus.
A dot b dot a both are equal, so we can simplify and we can write this as 11 into a dot b, isn't it? 6 into modulus of a square plus 11 into a dot b minus 35 into modulus of b square is the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, find the magnitude of two vectors A and B having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree. And their scalar product is 1 by 2. What is given? Can you guess what is given here? Magnitude of two vectors A and B having the same magnitude. What is given?
Cos theta is
Theta is
Modulus
given,
A
ma'am.
equal to modulus B
Scalar
is
product
given.
is given, ma'am.
Angle between them is 60 degree. What is theta?
60 degree.
Scalar product. Scalar product is 1 by 2. What is scalar product?
Theta B.
I don't know.
A dot B equal to 1 by 2. So can you derive A and B now?
Yes, ma'am.
How to derive A and B?
Modulus of
Ma'am,
A.
A magnitude of same ఉంటుంది, ma'am. So A square will come.
Ah. So A dot B will be equal to modulus of A modulus of B into cos theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So here instead of theta we should apply 60 degree and A dot B value is also given as 1 by 2 and modulus of A modulus of B both are equal. So finally we want to apply the value, isn't it? What will be the answer?
Plus or minus 1.
So modulus of A is equal to modulus of B, theta equal to 60 degree and A dot B is equal to 1 by 2. So if you apply A dot B dot product formula, we will have modulus of A modulus of B into cos theta. Already they have given A dot B as 1 by 2. Modulus of A both are equal. So instead of B, I am writing modulus of A cos 60. What is cos 60 degree?
1 by 2.
Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So modulus of A square will become
1.
1 by 2 by 1 by 2 is 1. So modulus of A can be plus 1 only, isn't it? Modulus is always positive. So if modulus of A equal to 1 means what will be modulus of B?
1.
Modulus of B will also be equal to 1. So have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So find a modulus of x if for a unit vector A vector. What is given here? A vector is unit vector. Unit vector means what is the meaning of unit vector?
Magnitude equal to 1.
Magnitude equal to 1.
Magnitude will be equal to 1. So given modulus of A is equal to 1 and consider x minus a dot x plus a, that is given as 12. So what is x dot x?
Modulus of x.
Modulus of x square. X dot a?
X dot A.
Okay, minus a dot x.
Minus x dot A.
Minus X dot A.
Minus a dot a.
Minus modulus of A
So
whole
in
square.
short, we can remember a minus b dot a plus b as modulus of a square minus modulus of b square, as we use it for A minus B into D minus A minus B into A plus B formula. Understood? So these two gets cancelled,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? So here we will have modulus of x square minus modulus of a
Modulus
square
of A
equal to
square.
12. But already given modulus of a is 1. So we will have modulus of x square equal to 12 plus 1, 13, 12, 11, 30. So modulus of x will be equal to square
Root
13.
root 13.
So can it be minus root 13?
No, ma'am.
Modulus.
No.
No. No. Okay. So if A, B, C are such that A vector plus lambda vector is perpendicular to C, find the value of lambda. How to solve that?
After adding dot product.
So A, B, C three vectors are given. Moreover, they have given A vector plus lambda B vector is perpendicular to C vector. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this?
Dot product.
Dot product will
Dot
be
C
equal to
vector
0.
equal to 0.
0, ma'am.
What is A vector plus lambda B vector? Can you tell me?
2 minus lambda I.
A vector, sorry, 2i vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector plus lambda into minus I plus 2j plus k vector dot 3i plus j equal to 0. So what do you mean by this? So can you combine these I terms? 2 minus 1, 2 minus
2
lambda
minus
into
lambda I.
I vector plus 2 plus 2
Plus
lambda into j vector and 3 plus lambda into k vector dot 3i plus j vector equal to 0. Now if you consider this dot product, we should take I components, that is 2 minus lambda into 3, j component 2 plus 2 lambda into 1, k component 3 plus lambda into 0 equal to 0. So if you simply what will you get? 3 2s are 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda equal to 0. So what will you get if you simplify? Minus 3 plus 2 lambda.
Lambda is equal to 8.
So lambda is equal to what?
8.
8. Have you understood now?
8. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
do you have any doubt in this scalar product?
No.
No doubt in this?
I'm show that page.
Huh?
Show that page once again, ma'am.
Hmm. Which problem you want to see?
Fine, ma'am.
In that one doubt, ma'am. Without doing dot product, can we find value, ma'am?
How?
By transposing that side, can we do like this?
If you transpose, what will you get? Division is there in vector. Can you divide two vectors?
0 by 1 vector will come.
Huh? No, division of vectors is not possible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this question is frequently asked question in NDA. If A dot B A equal to 0 and A dot B equal to 0, then what can you conclude about B vector? If A dot A equal to 0 and A dot B equal to 0, what do you mean by this? What do you conclude about B vector? A dot A equal to 0 means what does it mean? Modulus A square equal to 0, no? Modulus A equal to 0 means what?
A vector is zero.
Hmm?
A vector is
Will
zero.
A be?
A
No,
is
modulus of A equal to 0 means
Zero vector.
is A a 0 vector?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Will A be 0 vector?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
A vector is 0 vector. Then what about B vector?
Any vector.
B may be equal to 0.
A dot B equal to 0. So B vector will be
Any vector.
non-zero vector. Okay. Non-zero vector. One will be 0 vector means another one must be non-zero vector. Then only A dot B will become 0. Understood?
If both are 0,
This is
ma'am.
also frequent.
Both are zero, ma'am.
Both
are
0
zero,
not
so
possible. Both 0 not possible. Okay. Both 0 is not possible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
We cannot multiply both 0 vectors. So this is repeatedly asked question in NDA 13 sum. What is given?
A plus
A
B plus
vector, magnitude of A, magnitude of C is 1 now.
1. Okay. And also it is given A plus B plus C is equal to 0 vector. They're asking A dot B, B dot C, C dot A. In this case, what we have to do means we should consider square on both the sides. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Squaring both sides. What will you get? A plus B plus C the whole square equal to 0 square. So this won't be given. You should immediately consider this. So A plus B plus C the whole square means what? A plus B plus C dot
2 into AB plus BA
dot A plus B plus C equal to 0. It means that, but we are now directly taking A plus B plus C the whole square formula. What is A plus B plus C whole square formula? Modulus of A square, modulus of B square, plus 2 times of A dot B, B dot C, C dot A
EA equal to 0.
equal to 0. So what do you mean by this? A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is also equal to 0. Okay. 0, no?
No,
No, ma'am.
0 then
A square
why?
minus 3 by 2.
Okay,
Minus
okay.
3 by 2.
A, B, C are
Yeah, I
unit
made a
vectors.
mistake. Right. Here, these are unit vectors. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 times of this equal to 0. So 2 times of A dot B, B dot C, C dot A equal to minus 3, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 3 divided by, what is it equal to?
minus 3 by
Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 1.
minus 3 by
Minus 3 by
Minus by 2.
3 by 2, ma'am.
minus 3 by 2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this pattern, one NDA question will be asked. One more of the same type we will discuss. So it's not given here. So let us see the next one. If either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, then A dot B equal to 0. But converse need not be true. Why? Why converse need not be true?
Perpendicular.
They can be
May
mutually
also be
perpendicular because they may be mutually perpendicular to each other. The vertices ABC of triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively. Then find angle ABC. So how to find angle ABC?
In 14th sum, like on previous sum, it is there, ma'am. You said B, if A vector is equal to 0, then B vector must not be equal to 0, ma'am.
Okay.
But in 14th sum, both are 0, ma'am.
Both not 0. A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 is only given.
Okay.
Either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. அப்படிதானே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but even then the result will be 0 only, ma'am.
Huh?
Then also A into B will A dot B will be 0 only, ma'am.
Then also okay, that's okay. But converse they are asking. Converse.
Okay, ma'am.
Converse means if A dot B equal to 0, what does it mean then? That is what they are asking. Will it mean that A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 alone? No, we have third case as A and B can be mutually perpendicular also, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubt in this? Yes.
Ma'am, in 13th sum you did squaring method, ma'am.
Okay.
In which type of sums should we do squaring?
Okay. In case if they ask if A, modulus of A, modulus of me, modulus if all three are given, and if they ask you to find angle between A and B, okay, angle between A and B, then what you have to do is you should consider A, and if A plus B plus C value is also given, like 3, then you should consider A plus B plus C, maybe it may be equal to 0 also. A plus B plus C equal to 0 means A plus B will be equal to minus C vector. Now you have to square both the sides. Okay. And here you'll be getting A plus B the whole square means A modulus of A square plus modulus of B square plus what will you get? 2 times of A dot B. 2 times of A dot B will be equal to modulus of C square. Understood? Now let it modulus of A be 3, modulus of B be 4, and modulus of C be 2. So if you replace here, we will have 9 plus 16 plus 2 times of A dot B will be equal to 4. So 2 times of A dot B will be equal to 4 divided by 16 plus 9, 25. So A dot B will be equal to 4 divided by 2 into 25, that is 2 by 25. Again, you have to simplify A dot B. What is A dot B now equal to? Modulus A, modulus B, cos theta, isn't it? Equal to 2 by 25. So cos theta equal to 2 by 25 into 1 by modulus of A. 1 by modulus of A is what? 3, isn't it? Into 1 by modulus of B. Modulus of B is what? 4. So if you simplify, what will you get? 1 by 50. These are 150. Cos theta equal to 150. So theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 by 150. So in this case, if the problem is asked like this,
Above the transposing 25, ma'am. You have to subtract, no, ma'am.
Engada subtraction. Okay,
On
okay. I
2
made a
AB
mistake.
vector.
Right. 4 minus 25 is what? Right.
Minus 21.
Right. I made a mistake here. Minus 21 by 2. So minus 21 by 2. And here if you simplify, you will get into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, isn't it? So what will you get? Minus 20 divided by 6 4 so 24. So cos inverse of minus 21 by 24 will be the angle between A vector and B vector. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so we have few more questions. I'll tell you how to solve. If A and ABC are vertices of a triangle, show that angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So how to solve this? So we should firstly find out AB vector, BC vector and CA vector. What is AB vector? OB vector
A
minus
minus B.
OA vector. These are all position vectors. Understood? This is OA vector, this is OB vector and this is OC vector. So OB vector is minus I plus 0 plus 0 plus 0k minus OA vector is I plus 2j plus 3k. That will be equal to minus I will give minus 2a vector, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So minus 2j plus 0 minus 2j minus 3k plus 0. This is AB vector. Similarly, BC vector is OC vector minus OB vector. What is OC vector? 0i plus j plus 2k vector minus what is OB vector? Plus 0k vector. So if you subtract, we will have I plus I. Sorry, 0 plus I vector j minus j minus 0, j
Plus J.
2k plus 0, 2k, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay. Then CA vector. How to find out CA vector? OA by triangle law, it is equal to OA vector minus OC vector. OA vector is I plus 2j plus 3k minus OC vector is 0i plus j plus 2k vector. If you subtract, we will have I minus 0, I, 2j minus j plus j, 3k minus 2k, k vector. So they are asking find angle ABC. Angle ABC means what is angle ABC? This is triangle ABC. What is angle ABC?
Angle B.
What is angle ABC? Angle made by
B and C.
BC vector and BA vector, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is angle ABC? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is BA vector now? AB vector is this. What is BA vector? Minus of AB vector, that is equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Isn't it? Dot 2i plus 2j plus 3k. What will you get as dot product now? 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 10. BC dot BA equal to 10. But what do you want?
0.
So how will you find angle ABC? Modulus of BC vector modulus of BA vector cos of angle ABC is equal to 10. What is modulus of BC vector? Square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4, isn't it? Root 6. Next, modulus of BA square root of 4 plus 4 plus 9. What is 4 plus 4 plus 9?
Root something.
Root 70.
ABC equal to 10. So cos equal to 10 means that is equal to root 6 into root 7. So cos inverse of 10 divided by root 6 into root 70. Got clear? Got clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
Yes, ma'am.
Some number? So in last CBSE question, this triangle question was asked and many made mistake in that. Show that the vectors form the vertices of a right angle triangle means you have to consider this as OA vector, OB vector and OC vector. Okay. Vector, BC vector and CA vector, and you should check whether it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem or not. You know how Pythagoras theorem will be satisfied? No. AB square plus BC square equal to CA square means then Pythagoras theorem will be satisfied. In that case, angle B will be 90 degree. The common angle here given will be 90 degree. Understood? So next they have asked, show that A, B, C are collinear vectors. So what we have to do is we should find AB vector, BC vector and CA vector. So what will be AB vector? Can you directly tell what is AB vector?
1, 4.
So do you have free time today or tomorrow or on any of the days so that I can finish off 3D also?
No, ma'am.
No. So you don't want to attend my class?
Not like that,
What?
ma'am.
What Abhinav Karthik? I told you no. Huh? You people cannot find time for attending my class.
Only Sundays we are free.
What shall we do? So we should find out AB vector, OB minus OA will give 2 minus 1 is I, 6 minus 2 is 4J, 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is minus 4K. BC vector is OC minus OB. OC minus OB is 3 minus 4J minus 1 minus 3 minus 4K. Then vector is OA minus OC. OA minus OC is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus K, 7 minus of minus 1, 8K, isn't it? Hello?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is modulus of A? Modulus of AB?
Root 33.
Root
Root of
33.
33.
Root
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am.
root 33. Now am I audible?
Subtracting, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, audible, ma'am.
Is 4 plus 64 plus 64. What will it be?
132.
130. So
132.
if you add any two, will you get the third one? Two root 33, isn't it? So modulus of AB plus modulus of BC is equal to root 33 plus root 33. That is 2 root 33 is equal to modulus of CA. So if you add two vectors, you're getting the third vector. This is AB vector and this is BC vector. So if you add AB and BC vector, if you get AC vector, will all these three be collinear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Modulus of AB, modulus of BC equal to
Not audible, ma'am.
okay. So the vector product, dot product is over. Next class we will discuss cross product, and we will discuss about the three-dimensional geometry topic also. Okay. I don't know how I am going to complete 3D. You people are also not finding time for attending my class, so I don't know what I have to do. Do you have any free time? Do you have any free time? Hello? Already half of them have gone. So thank you. You can leave the class. Thank you. You can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank